Some students often give me feedback that they don't know how to use the component or what its benefits are. Today, I will show you how to correctly use the component. First, drag in a rectangle, a title, a paragraph, 2 buttons, and an image to create a card with them. Then, we create them as a component. This card is actually an instance on the page and can be overwritten in the Interactions panel. Here, we can change the title, paragraph content, button text, and import an image. Duplicate this card and change its content. These 2 cards are now completed. You can create more cards in this way. Now, how can we change the style of all the cards? Editing the component can easily achieve this. Double-click on the component instance to enter the component editing interface, and then adjust the styles of all the elements. Then, return to the page. You can see that the styles of all the component instances have been adjusted, which is very efficient. Preview the prototype, and you can see the completed interface. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share with others. Thank you.